So after going to kheder, he was sent to a yeshiva, a Talmudic academy, when he was only 10 or 11 years old. And he excelled in his studies. He attended a number of yeshivas briefly, but finally settled in a place in Warsaw, which was a Hasidic yeshiva, because he had gone to Lithuanian-oriented yeshivas too. Anyway, he's kind of a classic life of the modern Eastern European Jewish experience, because at a very early age, about 13, 14, he lost his faith. The influence of Haskalah works in Hebrew. He lived in the yeshiva. They slept benches, and he was the youngest student. And at night, the boys were supposed to be sleeping. They were passing something around, and they wouldn't allow him to see it. Of course, he was very curious. But he was the youngest one, and he was also extremely pious. So they feared that he would report them to the inspector, to the mashgiach, to the authorities. But he had an older friend, a landsman, a fellow townsman, who was his protector in a way. He said, "Oh, he's a good kid, let him see it." And it was Hatoya B'Darchei HaChaim by Moshe Leib Lilienblum, a classic work, The Lost Person on the Roads of Life. And that opened his eyes, as they used to say, and it was downhill from there. So he became an autodidact and joined the left wing of the Politzian, of the Social Zionist Party, and so on.